Ever wondered why Japanese gardens are so calming and serene? There's an undeniable allure to these tranquil spaces that has captivated hearts globally. Today we delve into the principles and plant selection that shape these horticultural masterpieces. Well, let's unravel the mystery behind their tranquil beauty. Japanese gardens are not just about plants and stones, they're about principles. Delving into these principles, we begin with asymmetry, or fukinsei, that breaks away from the uniformity, creating a natural and unforced appearance. Next, we have the principle of enclosure, heijo, which gives a sense of privacy and tranquility. Then there's shake, or borrowed scenery, integrating the surrounding landscapes into the garden's composition. Balance, or kanzo, is about simplicity and achieving serenity through minimalism. Finally, symbolism, keikan, uses elements like water and rocks to symbolize philosophical ideas or narratives. Each of these principles contributes to the overall aesthetic and atmosphere of the garden, creating a unique, reflective space. These principles give Japanese gardens their distinctive and captivating charm. Plants in Japanese gardens are not chosen randomly. They're selected with purpose and intention. The process of plant selection goes beyond just aesthetic appeal. It's a thoughtful consideration of symbolism and the natural environment. Evergreens, for instance, symbolize eternity and longevity. They provide a constant, unchanging element throughout the seasons. Deciduous trees, on the other hand, represent the ephemeral nature of life, their leaves changing and falling as the seasons transition. Then there's moss. Used as a carpeting element, moss signifies tranquility and peace, creating a serene atmosphere that is quintessentially Japanese. Each plant, whether it's an evergreen, a deciduous tree, or a patch of moss, is a verse in the poetry of a Japanese garden. So the next time you see a Japanese garden, remember, each plant has a purpose and a story to tell. Isn't it fascinating how much thought and care goes into creating a Japanese garden? From carefully selecting plants to adhering to time-honored principles, each garden is a tranquil masterpiece, brimming with unique beauty. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more garden-related content. Until next time.